Hello folks, in this video I will show you how to create a presentation using Gamma AI. So in order to do it, first of all make your account on Gamma website, sign up with your Google account. After that you will see an interface like this. Click on the middle one, generate. Now here describe what you like to make. For example, I'm going to make a slide on Interstellar movie. Click on generate outline. As you can see, here describe the image style. For example, I'm describing it as futuristic. Here you can add or remove any card you want. I'm going to remove this one. Okay, scroll down and click on advanced mode. From over here, you can give more detail about your slides. For example, I'm giving it as for creatives and tone inspirational. Okay, for my presentation, images, AI images, all is good to go. Click on continue. Select a desired theme over here. I'm going to select this one. Okay, click on generate. As you can see, Gamma AI has made a very cool presentation. I'm impressed. Now, if you want to change the image, click on edit with AI right over here. For example, I want to improve writing. Again, click on edit with AI. If you want to add a new image, click on add an image. As you can see, the image is removed. Now, if you want to download this presentation, you can go over here on top right on these three dots, click on it. Now click on export. After that, you can download in any form you want. I will download it as PDF file.